Hello folks, how y'all doing today? Teacher Fabiano here, and today I will tell you a little bit about my routine, just for you to practice a little bit your listening, okay? So I will speak very slowly so you can understand better. I am here in Chicago today in the United States, where I am spending my vacation. I've been here for about 15 days and I'm gonna be here for 5 more days. Then I'm leaving and I'm going back to Brazil. So this morning I woke up around 8 in the morning with my alarm clock, of course. And then I used my cell phone a little bit, answered some messages, talked to some people, and then afterwards I went to grab some breakfast with my brother, who is also traveling with me. And then for breakfast I had 2 slices of bread with peanut butter and jelly and some orange juice and coffee, of course. I always have coffee in the morning. After that, I brushed my teeth, I peed, and then I went out with my brother. We went walking around the city to visit some places. We went to a very beautiful place called Navy Pier, which is a pier, a very big pier. And there we saw some boats, we walked a little, we saw the Ferris wheel, we ate something. I bought a Coke, it was actually a Pepsi, and yeah, we had some food. I bought a hoodie, and after that it started raining, so we stayed inside a snack bar a little bit, and then afterwards we took a bus back to the hostel, because we are staying at a hostel here. At the hostel I took a shower, I worked a little bit on my laptop, I talked to people, I answered some emails, I also talked to my father today. I called him, I had a video call. We talked for like 5 minutes maybe, and then after that I ate again because I'm always hungry. I had some chicken and I brushed my teeth, and then I got my stuff, my tripod and my selfie stick, and then I came to this park, or to this area where I am right now, to record this video for you. And that's it. This is what I've been doing pretty much every day here. I have my breakfast in the morning, I walk around the city, I visit the main attractions, the main spots, the main places around the city. I take a lot of pictures, I eat a lot, then I go back to the hostel, I take a shower, I eat some more, I work a little, and then sometimes I go out again, I have dinner, or I go to a bar, I have a beer, I relax a little bit, listen to some music, and then I go to sleep. So let me know in the comments below if you understood 100% of what I'm saying here. If I'm talking too fast or too slow, and if I should make more videos like this. Please leave me a message and let me know. Give me your feedback so I can improve and make better videos for you. Don't forget to take a look on my Instagram, It's Inglês com Fabiano. The link is here in the description box below. And also take a look on my online course. You can check it out on inglesconfabiano.com.br. The link is also here in the description box. And that's it. Let me know if you liked this format of video, and I see you guys the next time. Bye bye.